Hello guys, I just wanted to show you how you can run your Unity WebGL game after you built it with Unity. You can't really open it with index.html since it doesn't rely on only HTML file but the build folder. I created an app which you can find on this link in the description. You just locate the version 1.0, download the executable file, and press the executable. Since it's not recognized app from Windows, you just press more info and run anyway. It should open a window like this. Unity WebGL player. You select the folder which has the index.html file. Let's go and select this folder and press play. It should open up the host and the game. Thank you for watching. Please like the video, and if you have any questions, please let me know.